amazing cars you can see here during our open house on Friday, October 7th from 3 to 7 p.m. This Bobby Isaac short track car formerly sat at the Motorsports Hall of Fame in Talladega. It's definitely one to stop and see. What I'm holding here is Darrell Waltrip's 1978 World 200 modified winner. This car right here, Daytona International Speedway. Check this baby out. You can see this right here during our open house. Look at this trophy though. That's all they gave back then. Usually Daytona, you get those monster trophies. Oh well, things have changed. The number 27 Ford Talladega tribute car to Donnie Ellis. Well, guess what? It's here for the open house right here. This was raced at Spaceport, America, also Bonneville Salt Flats, and also in Blytheville, Arkansas. That car is fast, you get to see it. Also, we're gonna check over here. Check out the Harry Gant Skull Bandit. Remember that? Handsome Harry Gant. The good old Goodwrench sponsorship. Richard Childress Racing made it famous with Dale Earnhardt behind the wheel. Kevin Harvick had to take it over, unfortunately, in 2001. Also, this 1983 Monte Carlo made by Chevrolet. This was raced by Darrell Waltrip. How about when he raced ASA right here in the number 17? You can see that. There you have it. Come to the garage shop. Open house Friday, October 7th, 3 to 7 p.m. You can see all those cars we just showed you, plus more.